The Shift Sys Fault warning appears on your Ford Fusion dashboard when the vehicle's computer system detects a transmission problem. This warning is designed to protect your transmission from further damage. This warning primarily affects Ford Fusion models from 2013 to 2020. When you see this message, your powertrain control module has identified an issue that requires attention. Several critical components work together in your transmission system. The transmission control module acts as the brain, while the valve body controls hydraulic pressure for gear changes. The transmission control module, located in the engine bay, manages all shifting operations. Along with shift solenoids and the transmission fluid system, these components must work in perfect harmony. When the Shift Sys Fault warning appears, your vehicle's computer stores specific diagnostic trouble codes. The most common codes are P0700, P0722, P0962, and P2703. Additional codes include P0962 for pressure control solenoid issues and P22703 for friction element timing problems. Each code provides specific information about what component needs attention. Ignoring the Shift Sys Fault warning can lead to costly transmission repairs ranging from $1,500 to $5,000. Early intervention with proper diagnosis can prevent major component failure and save significant money. When the Shift Sys Fault warning appears, follow a systematic troubleshooting approach. Start with basic checks before moving to more complex repairs. First, check your transmission fluid level and condition. Look for proper level on the dipstick and examine the fluid color and consistency. Next, use an OBD scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes. Common codes include P0700 for transmission control system malfunction and P0722 for output speed sensor issues. Check if your transmission control module software is up to date. Ford has released several updates to address shifting issues. If initial checks don't resolve the issue, follow a progressive repair approach, starting with the least expensive solutions. Level 1 involves software updates and complete fluid service using Ford-approved Mercon LV fluid. This resolves about 65% of cases and costs between $200 and $400. Level 2 includes solenoid replacement and valve body service. This addresses more complex hydraulic issues and costs between $800 and $1,500. Level 3 is a complete transmission rebuild or replacement, necessary for severe internal damage. This costs between $3,000 and $5,000, but provides a comprehensive solution. Prevention is always better than repair. Follow these key strategies to avoid transmission problems. Change transmission fluid every 30,000 to 40,000 miles using only Ford-approved Mercon LV fluid. This single step can prevent 60% of transmission failures. Address warning lights immediately rather than ignoring them. Avoid aggressive driving patterns like rapid acceleration and hard braking, which stress the transmission system. Investing $300 to $500 annually in preventive maintenance can save you thousands in major transmission repairs, making it a smart financial decision.